Hi dear folks, today's Leetcode challenge is to merge two sorted array. It's a variation of famous merge sort. We just have to write the merge method of merge sort algorithm. So the inputs are in the form of two arrays nums1 and nums2, and their length is m and n correspondingly, and the output we have to merge these two arrays, and these two arrays are already present in ascending order, and we have to store the output in nums1 array, which is having length of m plus n. So let's get quickly started on a little description followed by the coding part. So this is the example which is given by Leetcode. So the array 1 is nums1. It's having value of m is equals to 3. Array 2 is nums2, which is this one. And value of n here is 3. As we could see, both these are in sorted form, and the output would be given in the output needs to be merged in nums1 array. So nums1 is already having the length of m plus n, so we need to merge m number of elements from first array and n number of elements from second array. So we can solve this in time complexity of O m plus n, where m represents the length of array 1 and n represents the length of array n, and space complexity would be O1. Without that means without any additional space. How can we resolve this thing? We can create three variables here. Int I, which represents the current pointer, and we can use already existing m and n variables. So we can start by initializing the value of I is equals to m plus n minus 1. Then we can also reduce the value of m and n by 1 so that they points to the last index, n minus 1. Okay, so now we just need to populate the value of nums I at ith location in descending form. So like we used to do in the merge algorithm, we'll take a while loop and we'll start if value of m is greater than equals to 0 and value of n is greater than equals to 0. Then we can find the largest among these two values. So m represents the value in nums I. I have one variable a at nums m position, and I have another value b at nums 2 n position, and I'll find out which one is the largest. So nums I at mth position, which is 2, is 3 here, and then nums 2 at nth position has value 6. So the largest among both these is the sixth one. So we'll populate at ith position, nums 1 ith position, with the one which is the largest among these two, which is nums 2 n, and after this we'll decrease the value of I and n. So at sixth position the value will be so at fifth index the value will be 6, and now the value of n will be, for second iteration it will be 1, and value of m will be 2. So now I'll see nums 1 2 has value of 2 and nums 2 1 has value of 5, and so here we could see 5 is greater than 2, so it will populate 5 at fourth index. Now the value of n comes out to be 0 and value of m is 2 and the value of I will be 3. Now we'll check nums 1 at mth location, it has value 3, and nums 2 at 0th has value 2. Which one is greater? 3. So at ith the value will placed will be 3. Now I value will be reduced by 1, I will be 2, n will remain as 0 and m will be 1. So like this, using this logic we can populate the nums 1 array. I have also written the code for this. And it's also accepted as well. So that's it for this code. Thanks for watching this video.